Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Cortech Apex one-piece road race suit. The Cortech Apex suit retails for $4.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is a lot of suit for a really affordable price. Let's dive into a little sizing. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds on the money, 33-inch waist. I am wearing a size large in the Apex. This gives me a great comfortable fit right off the peg, which is exactly what I would want to see for a suit like this. Who is this right for? This is right for a street rider who wants a one-piece or a track day rider who's looking for a good, affordable, heavily perforated one-piece race suit to take it to the track. Cortech did a really nice job with this. Clean styling, comfortable fit, tons of perforation. For most track riders, perforation and ventilation is going to be the single most important feature, right? You add a layer like this, it adds quite a bit of heat. There's no doubt about it. Perforation is the best way to battle that. The suit itself has CE certified armor in the elbows, forearms, shoulders, knee and shin. Comes with replaceable knee pucks, of course. There is EVA foam in the hips as well as in the back protector compartment. Both of those areas can be easily and affordably upgraded to a KNOX armor piece designed to fit right in the pocket. You'll find that in the Cortech armor section of our website. Locking zippers in the sleeves. I like the sleeve length. It's not overly long. I don't like to see the sleeves come into the wrist. It gets bulky there and makes it harder to control the motorcycle. Right, got a good quality main zip, external shoulder slider, external elbow slider, motion panel here in the elbow. The liner of the suit itself is actually stitched in. It's really comfortable. Tons of mobility right off the peg, which is nice. Easily get into the riding position. If you're looking for an affordable one-piece with a lot of ventilation, this is a great option. Stay tuned. I'm going to take the suit off, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, the all-new Cortech Apex one-piece suit from the inside out. This suit does not have a removable liner. It is a fixed, stitched-in inner liner that has access points to remove the armor. There are two spots that can be upgraded. This is the foam pad that comes in the hip area on either side. There's a pocket there. There is a KNOX upgrade. You'll find that in the Cortech armor section of our website. The back pad that comes in this suit, right, is the same non-certified foam pad. Also, there is a KNOX upgrade for that in the Cortech armor section of our website. Most people, right, if you're riding with a one-piece race suit on the racetrack, are probably going to use a standalone back protector. So upgrading this doesn't make as much sense as perhaps upgrading the hip. However, the options are available to you. CE certified soft shell armor is found in the shoulder, elbow and forearm, as well as the knee area, okay? And this is, when you compare it to their higher end suit, the Adrenaline, this is a little bit more basic, still does have a solid measure of protection available. Focusing now on the shell of the suit. A lot of perforation with this, no race hump, right? So the styling is more sport oriented than maybe perhaps race oriented. Large perforated panel here on the back, that's gonna help with airflow. Motion panel done in leather, intersects with the stretch fabric in the underarm area and the inside of the arm. Unlike the GP one, there is no stretch panel here. Large stretch panel here for the waist. 2 layers of leather in the seat. The internal part is going to be like a drop seat that allows it to move around so it doesn't bind up and become uncomfortable. Little tailbone pad is going to be stitched in there. Not a Kevlar reinforced stretch fabric, but more of a 4-way stretch. This flows air freely too. You're going to find this in the back of the legs, all through the crotch area. Here is your zipper. For the calf, you get to the front of the suit. Once again, we have a lot of perforation, man. There's a ton of perf. You've got perf in your upper arm. You've got perf all through the torso, the inner thigh, all perforated, tons of airflow. All the stretch fabric that you see here on the sides of the suit, the inner arms, and like the crotch area, all flows air freely. It's going to really work to keep the rider cool. So I would say this is going to be one of the cooler suits on the market in terms of ventilation. Additional protection, you've got the shoulder slider that's stitched over the suit. Got a nice motion panel here in the elbow. Exterior elbow slider. Different than the Adrenaline GP suit, you can also see the stretch fabric here. Instead of having the leather stitched over the stretch is going over the leather. In the event of an accident, you know, when these areas hit the ground, being this is the higher layer of the two, sometimes you'll see these areas will abrade a little bit. So that's, you know, we're just kind of differentiating between the two models, you know, and trying to point out the additional value found in the other suit. This is a good entry-level suit, where that Adrenaline suit has some features and benefits you're going to find in suits that are over $1,000. Give you a look at that fixed liner. There's a little pocket right here. You can slide your driver's license into if you're going to use this on the street or even on the track. Say you go there by yourself. If you happen to get knocked out or something, you can have your identification right there. Here is your pocket for that internal back pad. If you want to access the rest of the armor in the suit, there is a slot that's cut behind the back pad. You open this Velcro up, pull the pad out, you can reach your arm in there and go ahead and remove the other armor pieces. You know, reinstall, move them around, adjust it a little bit, whatever, that is your access point. Motion panel here in the knee. Perforation down here in the lower leg area. Finishing this with some of that stretch fabric down here. The boots are going to cover that. That's out of the impact zone. It just helps to wear the suit to wear a little bit lighter in that area. You see that on most suits out there. There is reinforcement, extra layers of leather are going to be found here in the knee area to bolster protection. All in all, what do I think of this suit? It's a really nice entry-level race suit. It sells for a sub $500 price point as the time we're shooting this video, which is really nice. This is replacing their Latigo suit, and I would say this is a significant upgrade from the previous model. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm here to help you choose your next race suit.